You are in Leela. This is what Leela is. Those who can sing, dance, laugh and cry without shame and hesitation are the ones who purify this universe.
If I had this tool, so many years ago, the less suffering that I would have had. I don't have any questions. I just have huge gratitude.
Lovely.
Yeah, it's more of enjoying the moment, of not taking things so seriously.
And now I feel like so peaceful, and I have a lot of the same stuff, but different mindset. And this has helped me in 3 weeks. I could change that, and it has helped me a lot.
I began to laugh, and he was like, "Oh, what's going on with my baby?"
Then I'm loving this oblivion. It's beautiful.
I think Leela for me is an opportunity to free my soul in some way, to give me the chance to express my me.
Then when I am in Leela, I discover this slowly. I discover this playfulness, this love to life, this connection, real connection to life, the real meaning of life. So I am free of that now. I'm free to speak as I want. I am free to act, to move, to do everything as I want now. It's for me, so why not? Let's do it, why not?
Leela will certainly surpass whatever you thought that you came for.
It's like that Holi festival in India. You throw colors, I throw colors, and after some kind of play, we don't realize who is you and who is me. We are all so mixed up. I seek that, we can get to explore that Leela. That Leela we are part of.
So shall we begin? Do we have your permission to begin this journey?